Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Welcome, my dear students. The previous class we have discussed about lesson 1, 3 questions. I hope you all understood part 1, part 2 very well. So I already gave a work to you. Can you remember? Yes. So I told you to, we can discuss a book back exercise. It means the question answer in the next class. So in this class, just we can see the answer for all your book back questions. So just check whether you written the correct answer or not and take your notes. In the next class, we can see the supplementary reader. Okay, let's go. Now we can see the question answer in lesson 1, 3 questions. The first question, why was the king advised to go to the magician? Answer, the king advised to consult some magicians because they alone could look into the future and decide the right time to do a thing. Question number 2, in the answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer, in answer to the second question, the people said that the advice of the counselors or priests or doctors or soldiers would be important to the king. Question number 3, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Answer, in answer to the third question, some said that science was the most important thing, others suggested fighting or religious worship. Question number 4, did the wise man win a reward? If not, and why not? Answer, no, the wise man did not win the reward because none could give a satisfactory answer. Question number 5, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer, the king and the hermit removed the wounded man's clothing. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. He dressed the wound a second time to stop the bleeding. Then the king and the hermit carried the man to a bed in a hut. And question number 6, there are two questions are given. The first one is, who was a beard man, and second one is, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The first question, who was a beard man? The answer is, the beard man was in fact the king's enemy. He had taken a vow to take revenge. The king had killed the man's brother and confiscated all his property. Question number 6, the second question is, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The answer is, the wounded man begged the king to forgive him. He was grateful to the king who had saved his life. He felt guilty at heart. He promised to serve the king all his life. Question number 7, the king forgave the beard man. What did he to do? Show his forgiveness. Answer, the king forgave the beard man. He promised to send his servant and the doctor to look after him. He also returned the property seized by him. Question number 8 is a long answer type question. What were the hermit's answer to the three questions? Write each other answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? Answer, the hermit answered the king's question in his own way. Now the present time was the best time. He had gone back. He would have been killed by his enemy. The beard man was the best man at the moment to do good to the hermit, and the beard man was the most important thing for the king. I like the answer to the first question most because it is most logical. So that's all, my dear students. We have seen all the book back questions answered now. So take your notes. The next class we can discuss the unit 1 supplement reader. Be ready. Already we have completed one prose and one poem in the first unit. So in the next class we are going to see about lesson 1 in supplementary reader. The main objective of these stories is to improve your reading skill. I hope you just read in your home and enjoy the story very well. So in the next class, we just discuss lesson 1. I'll tell the summary of the story. So you read the story fully and try to write the answer for the questions given in the comprehension check. So thank you, my dear students. In the next class, be ready for the supplementary reader. Once again, I already given the question for lesson 1. I hope you all understood the questions very well. So thank you. Next class we can see.